Good day, my people. It's your coach PK coming at you live from beautiful Kings Lake right here. A beautiful sunny day and a beautiful day to be out and get some vitamin D on me. But you already know me. You know I'm not here to talk to you about vitamin D or the sun or Kings Lake. I'm actually here to talk to you about more basketball rules. So this rule today I wanted to talk to you about is pretty much when you have there's two players chasing the ball. One dives onto the ball, and as he dives onto the ball, she grabs the ball and starts sliding on the ground. As he's sliding on the ground, the opposition player comes after him, trying to get the ball off him. Imagine that player now, after coming to a complete stop, decides to roll away from the defender. What would you call? Would you call it play on or would you call it aTravel? That's right, you know what it is. It is aTravel. The rules say you're not allowed to roll away or make any movement away from the defender when laying on the ground with the ball. The options you have is to pass it or shoot it. And if this was news to you, make sure to hit the subscription button right here and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my very next video. And by the way, if you're wondering where my very next video is, you can just click on this one here, or even better, you can click on that one here. I hope to see you on one of these two videos. Bye for now.